Emma loves bugs. My name is Emma, and I love bugs. All kinds of bugs. Creepy bugs like spiders and beetles. Beautiful bugs like butterflies and ladybugs. Weird bugs like caterpillars and dragonflies. I even like annoying bugs like ants and flies. The only kind of bug I don't like is any bug that bites me.
Farmer for a day. Rachel the rabbit helped her grandpa on the family farm.
"What do farmers do?"
she asked. "Follow me," Grandpa said. He handed Rachel a big basket. Rachel followed her grandpa to the garden. "We grow and harvest food," Grandpa said. Rachel helped Grandpa pick fresh cabbages. Then Grandpa led her to the barn. Rachel followed with her basket full of cabbages. "We milk the cow," Grandpa said. Rachel helped Grandpa feed and milk the cows. Rachel even helped Grandpa gather some eggs and feed the chickens. Grandpa took Rachel back to the house where Grandma waited.
"Did you have fun?"
Grandma asked Rachel. Rachel replied,
"Yeah."